Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili verde. We will begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of fresh tomatillos, 1.5 pounds of pork shoulder, and a mix of green chilies like poblanos and jalapenos. Don't forget your aromatics such as 1 large onion and 4 cloves of garlic. These foundational components are key to a truly delicious and authentic dish. Next, let's craft that vibrant verde sauce. Roast your tomatillos and chilies on a baking sheet until they are nicely softened and slightly charred, about 15 minutes. Then, blend them with a half cup of fresh cilantro and 1 cup of chicken broth until smooth. Taste and adjust the heat with extra chilies if desired. Simmer this sauce for at least 20 minutes to allow the flavors to fully develop. Now for the star of our dish, the pork. Cut your pork shoulder into 1-inch to 2-inch cubes. Sear these pieces in a hot pot until they are beautifully golden brown on all sides. This step adds incredible depth of flavor. Then, pour your prepared verde sauce over the seared pork. Braise it slowly for about 2 to 3 hours until the meat is incredibly tender and falls apart easily. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your magnificent chili verde. Remove the tender pork from the pot and shred it using 2 forks. Return the shredded pork to the rich verde sauce and stir to combine. Let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes to ensure all the flavors meld perfectly. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime. Serve hot with warm tortillas or fluffy rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.